Hey guys, just using my Colts machine to get this tire mounted onto this rim. This is going to be a full-size spare for my Toyota Highlander. There's that yellow mark. It indicates the lightest point of the tire, so we're going to be lining that up the valve stem. Oh yeah, and this tire has an outside indicator, so we'll put that facing out, not on the inside. I already moved the valve core, just so it inflates higher, faster. Just kind of hitting the tire, so the beetle seat. Oh, there it goes. And I'll be putting the valve core back in. Yep, there we go. These tires have like a maximum of like 50, 55 psi, but I'm gonna leave it around 40. This tire probably won't get used very much. It's a Sumitomo tire I bought off of eBay. Just gonna release it. I'll go over to my Ranger balancer. These are pretty decent quality. I have a pre-balanced wheel there. It's used for calibrating the machine when it's needed. Then this machine has a special little nut. You hold that red lever and pinch it, and then you don't have to turn it so much. Tighten that. Turn the machine on. And on the inside of the wheels, you can look up the width of the rim. We'll have to put that into the machine. And also it shows you the rim size, diameter. We also have to measure how far that is from the machine. Those 3 measurements you have to put into the machine. We're going to put it at alloy 2. We're just going to use sticky weights. I'm not going to use those other hammered weights on the outside. I'm going to use sticky weights all around. I'll just clean it off. A little bit of brake cleaner. Just kind of line it up. It's got a little foot pedal. Try to hold the tire in place so it doesn't spin either. Each one of those is 1/4 of an ounce. So if it says 75, you put 3, and that's 0.75 ounces. Let's see what it gives us. Okay. We're having what? 0.25, so 1 block or 1 square. Kind of hard to take that off sometimes. Alright, let's give it a go. Yep. Looks good to me.